In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable charge tax on this product for your Shopify items. Managing taxes efficiently in your Shopify store is crucial to ensure compliance and smooth financial operations, and today I'll guide you through the straightforward process to implement this feature. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify account's dashboard. Begin by logging into your Shopify store. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as the control center for all your store management activities. From here, it's easy to get to the next step. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see various options listed to help you manage different aspects of your store. Go ahead and click on the Products tab. This will direct you to the section where all your store's products are listed. It's a central hub where you can view, edit, and manage each item available in your store. Now that you're on the Products page, take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific product on which you need to enable tax charging. In this example, we're focusing on Example Shirt 2. Click on this product to access its individual settings and details page. This will take you to a new page tailored to the specific product where you can see all the options available for customization. Once you have the product page open, you need to look at the pricing and tax options available. This is where the charge tax on this product field comes in. It's important for ensuring that the applicable taxes are added to the product at checkout, which is a crucial aspect of financial management and legal compliance. To enable this option, look for a checkbox next to Charge Tax on this product. If the box is unchecked, simply click it to enable the tax charge on this particular item. You'll notice that as soon as you check this box, it triggers your Shopify system to apply the appropriate sales tax rate to this product when a customer makes a purchase. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your store is up to date with tax requirements and that your pricing accurately reflects the full cost to your customers. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled the charge tax on this product option for your Shopify item. Make sure to save any changes before you leave the page to ensure your settings are applied. This small step can make a big difference in your store's operations, keeping everything compliant and running smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for managing your Shopify store efficiently. Give it a try on your other products to ensure all tax settings are correct. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling!